Hello, my name is Noah, and I'm with TouchScreen Pros. And today I'm going to be showing off our Ensight advertising kiosk. So this is kind of like a mini LED wall that's built into a vertical format that is great for getting information across in businesses and schools, places of that nature, as well as going to trade shows because it is mobile with our stand with wheels at the bottom there. So it is pretty versatile in how you want to use it. It can upload to it wirelessly or wired in using the app that is provided. So you can build out your own videos and upload it using the exact resolution of the screen, or you can use the app to be able to stack pictures and video vertically. So it has lots of different ways to customize it and make it meet your needs. So you can find us at www.touchscreenpros.com, and we would love to be able to get in contact with you if you would enjoy our Ensight advertising kiosk.